游客。
Tourist.
Tourist.
对不起，请问旅游信息中心在哪里？
Excuse me. Where is the Tourist Information Center? Excuse me. Where is the Tourist Information Center?
这家酒店有没有针对游客的特别折扣？
Is there a special discount for tourists at this hotel? Is there a special discount for tourists at this hotel?
护照。
Passport.
Passport.
您的护照，请。
Your passport, please. Your passport, please.
别忘了带上你的护照。
Don't forget to bring your passport. Don't forget to bring your passport.
签证。
Visa.
Visa.
你有有效的签证吗？
Do you have a valid visa? Do you have a valid visa?
官员要求看我的签证和护照。
The officer asked to see my visa and passport. The officer asked to see my visa and passport.
手提箱。
Suitcase.
Suitcase.
我需要为下次旅行购买一个新的手提箱。
I need to buy a new suitcase for my next trip. I need to buy a new suitcase for my next trip.
对不起，这是你的手提箱吗？
Excuse me, is this your suitcase? Excuse me, is this your suitcase?
背包。
Backpack.
Backpack.
我可以把我的背包当作随身行李吗？
Can I take my backpack as carry-on luggage? Can I take my backpack as carry-on luggage?
你能把我的背包递给我吗？
Could you pass me my backpack, please? Could you pass me my backpack, please?
相机。
Camera.
Camera.
我总是随身携带相机。
I always carry my camera with me. I always carry my camera with me.
别忘了关闭相机的闪光灯。
Don't forget to switch off the camera flash. Don't forget to switch off the camera flash.
行李。
Luggage.
Luggage.
我需要为我的旅行打包行李。
I need to pack my luggage. I need to pack my luggage.
在去机场之前，别忘了称重你的行李。
Don't forget to weigh your luggage before the airport. Don't forget to weigh your luggage before the airport.
纪念品。
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
这个商店里的纪念品相当昂贵。
The souvenirs in this shop are quite expensive. The souvenirs in this shop are quite expensive.
这是我从纽约带回的最喜欢的纪念品。
This is my favorite souvenir from New York. This is my favorite souvenir from New York.
地图。
Map.
Map.
你能在地图上标出博物馆的位置吗？
Can you mark the museum on a map? Can you mark the museum on a map?
信息中心提供免费的地图。
The Information Center provides free maps. The Information Center provides free maps.
路径。
Path.
Path.
你能告诉我到公交车站的路径吗？
Can you show me the path to the bus stop? Can you show me the path to the bus stop?
穿越公园的路径非常美丽。
The path through the park is beautiful. The path through the park is beautiful.